Happy 70th birthday, Ma. 70 beautiful years of love, wisdom, strength, and care. Thank you for every sacrifice, every prayer, and every warm embrace that made our lives better. Your kindness and unconditional love are the heart of our family. May your special day be filled with happiness, laughter, good health, and all the love you truly deserve. We are so blessed to have you in our lives. Happy birthday, Ma. You are deeply loved all today and always.
Hello ma, happy birthday. God bless po.
Wow, ang ganda naman ng birthday girl na yan. Nanay ko yan. Ma, happy birthday. Yan lang. Love you.
Hello po, Mamu Delia Burse. Happy 70th birthday po sa inyo. God bless you and enjoy your birthday po. Ingat po kayo palagi. Happy birthday po sa inyo.
Happy birthday po. God bless you.
God bless you. Enjoy po. Ingat po kayo.